everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick guess what's in the bag, aka guess what's in the box video. It's an electronic item, or it's a case for an electronic item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. There should be a few of them in the bag. Thank you guys for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Hope everybody is having an awesome day. So, before I get started, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. If you like videos that are coming, I got lots of tool testing videos. We're going to be putting hammer drills head-to-head between DeWalt, Metabo, Milwaukee, 12 volt, 18 volt, as well as Makita and Bosch and several others. So smush the bell notification icon. So let's get started. This is a small guess what's in the box video. So there should be 3 items in this box, aka bag. It's not a box, it's in a bag. It is a bag from Amazon. So this bag is I would say fully about 13.5 inches long, if it's not crinkled. Full size of the bag is 11 inches wide. Tallest portion of the bag is 2.5 inches or so. The items in the bag, so this item right here is 3 3/4 inch by 2 1/4 deep, I would say somewhere in the range of about 3 1/4 inches long. This one right here is kind of big, so this item's gotta be 7 3/4 inch. Ooh. I would guess it's about 4 inches long by 7 3/4 wide by 2.5 inches tall. Well, actually, it might be a little bit smaller than that. So, looks like there's 2 side by side right here. 4 inches wide, and this one is about 4 inches wide. What do you guys think's in the bag? What items do you think are in the bag? These are protective items for an electronic. There's 3 of them in here. I did pick them up from Amazon. Just a quick video. If you guys you know, another hint would be it's for camera. That's the other hint I can give you guys. I do hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I hope it's going well. Please like, comment, subscribe. As always, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Quick question. I was in a live stream earlier today. Today is June 7th. Tomorrow is June 8th, which is my birthday. But I was in Vince's live stream. I'll leave a card up here for VCG Construction. Looks like there's a couple people that want me to do Ryobi videos. I do Ryobi tool deals. Is there anybody else that would like to see Ryobi tools on the channel? I have been thinking about picking up a couple, since Ryobi doesn't, or Ryobi not doesn't, but Ryobi does have some very rare tools, kind of unique tools that lots of other tool companies don't have. If you guys want to see that, leave it down below. Let me know. Very much appreciated. I do have head-to-head videos coming, like I said at the beginning, between M12 and M18 Milwaukee. Metabo tools, as well as Metabo HPT 18 volt and 36 volt, Makita 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as the Makita 40 volt and 80 volt line coming to the channel. We got DeWalt 8 volt, which is 7.2 volt nominal. We got 12 volt, 20 volt, 60 volt flex volt, and 120 volt flex volt, as well as Bosch 18 volt core. We have Earthquake, XT 20 volt tools. I have Bosch sticks, 18 volt, a drill and an impact driver, as well as a lot more other tools. I can even, you know, do comparisons with impact wrenches, impact drivers, hammer drills, jigsaws, what I have available I can do videos on. Let me know if that's something that's interesting to you for the Ryobi thing. Let me know in the comments. If any of the things I mentioned about what I have we could do videos on, if any of that interests you, please smush the bell notification icon. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!